In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through logging into your eBay account using a Google search. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those who want a quick and easy walkthrough on accessing their eBay account. With just a few simple clicks, you'll be browsing and shopping in no time. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Google and hit enter. Once the Google homepage loads, you'll find the search bar right in the center. Type the word eBay into the Google search bar and press enter. You'll be presented with a list of search results. You might see the eBay website listed at the top, and that's where we want to head. Look for the link that takes you directly to eBay's homepage and give it a click. Now that you're on the eBay homepage, your next step is to locate the sign in option. Usually you'll find this option on the upper right hand corner of the page. It's pretty visible. Go ahead and click on sign in and you will be directed to the login page. There, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your username or email address, followed by your password. Make sure you input them correctly to avoid any login errors. If you haven't created an account yet, you might see an option to do so on this screen as well. Once your credentials are in, you can move on to the next step, which involves clicking on login. This button should be around the password input field. Clicking login allows your web browser to attempt to log you into your account, so make sure you're connected to a reliable internet source to avoid any issues. After clicking login, you might encounter a page offering additional security features or options like setting up two-factor authentication. Sometimes you'll see an option asking if you'd like to get additional protection by registering your device. For now, let's keep it simple and click on skip for now if this prompt appears. You can always come back later to set up extra security measures once you're more familiar with these options. Congratulations, you've now successfully logged into your eBay account. With this straightforward process, you can start exploring all that eBay has to offer. Whether you're on a shopping spree or just browsing for fun, eBay has a wide array of products to check out. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover and explore within eBay once you're logged in, from bidding on auctions to tracking your order history and managing your account settings. Thanks for watching my guide on logging into eBay through a Google search. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Happy shopping and see you next time.